Hey guys, this is Truman Earl. Today we're going to be showing you how to install these new tactical Molle seat back covers. These are super awesome. They come in just the seat back cover as well as the headrest cover. You can buy one, the other, or both. These are super easy to install once you know how to, so we're just going to run you through it today and install on your Tacoma. We're going to start off with the headrest. This one's super easy. It comes with this provided Velcro strap. It's black out, so it's super sleek. And then it comes with a full roll, so we're just going to cut it in half and use two to wrap it around. So the Molle headrest cover is sideways like this. This is going to be the most secure. And then there's two slits on the top and the bottom. And then we're just going to use these Velcros to thread them through and put them on the headrest. Okay, so we're just going to take this Velcro roll and unroll all the way. And then we're just going to fold it in half because you only need one per side. And then we're just going to cut it right in the middle. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and take our headrest seat back Molle cover, and we're going to take the Velcro, holding it sideways, so we're going to thread it through the bottom loop and make sure the fuzzy side of the Velcro is on the outside. Thread it through and then back up through the top side. This way we are able to mount all your stuff without having to interfere with the Velcro, and then it is nice and soft so your head isn't touching the sticky side. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. With the fuzzy side on the outside, just going to thread it in through the bottom hole and then back up through the top hole. Okay, so with everything threaded through, I just went ahead and stuck them to each other with a good amount of space in the middle, because we're just going to go ahead and take the headrest off the seat. It's a lot easier that way. Just going to slip it into here, and then we're going to tighten down the Velcro. We come to find out that that's really easy because the Velcro likes to stick to each other when we're trying to put it on. So that's the easiest way. Okay, so we went ahead and just pulled off our headrest from the car, and then we're just going to flip it around, and then we're going to slip in the headrest, and it's just going to sit just like this. And this is just the rough placement. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten them down with the Velcro straps. So once we have everything in place just how we like it, we just have this little excess bit right here that we don't need, and so we're just going to go ahead and cut that off. And then we'll just reinstall the headrest. Okay, so now that we have the headrest tactical Molle panel installed, we're just going to go ahead and do the full seat back one with the two provided straps. Okay, so one strap is longer and one strap is shorter. The shorter one is for going up and around the headrest and securing the top. The longer one is going around the base of the seat and securing the bottom. So we're just going to go ahead and start with the short one, which is around the headrest. The top and the bottom of the seat back cover are universal, so you can do it on whatever side you would like. We're going to go ahead and start with the short one and strap it up. Okay, so now that we have the strap, we're going to go ahead and thread both sides through, one on each side. Again, it doesn't matter which side of the seat back cover you use, they are universal. And so once we have these strapped up, we want to have about 6 inches of slack on each side, and we want these super close towards the bottom. Because what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wrap these back around and thread them inside these securing tabs. Once that's threaded through the top, we're going to go ahead and thread it through the bottom as well. Once this is through, that side is now secure, and we're going to do the same with the other side. Okay, so on the same side, we're going to grab our longer strap, and we're going to thread this one side through this bottom loop there are going to be multiple loops on the side of this Molle seat back cover, right here and here and here. Just going to go ahead and do the bottom one. Again, having a good amount of slack on the outside, and then we're going to thread it back through this plastic securing tab. All right, so before we make our fine adjustments, we're just going to throw it on. We're going to unclip the shorter side, wrap it around the seat, and clip it back on. Obviously, it's going to be looser, but we're going to tighten it down later. We're going to grab the longer one as well, unclip this, and then we're going to wrap it around the base of the seat. Now we can adjust to where we want it. We're going to start with how high up on the seat we want it. Where it's at right now is pretty good, but I want to drop it a little bit lower because once it's pressed against, it just sticks up right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and give it some more slack. About right there. I'm going to give it some slack on this side as well. And then that's where I want it height-wise on the seat. Okay, so now that we have the height adjusted to where we want it to be, we're going to go ahead and come to this strap, and we're just going to tighten it down all the way so it's snug and secure to the back of the seat. How I'm going to do this, I'm just going to pull these tabs all the way off so our excess loop is released. And then once those are pulled off, I'm just going to take the two straps and then just tighten them down all the way. Once these are where we want it, I have this side secure. I'm going to go ahead and re-thread it through this securing tab. Okay, so now that that front is secured, you can tell this is very snug on the back of this seat, and we're able to load up all of our gear onto this with all the possible spots that we can mount these with. It's going to be super nice to be able to carry Molle panel stuff such as my medic and our Molle panel bags like first aid kits. And so this thing can come in super handy and has a whole lot of slots. The headrest one is secure as well. You can mount a whole bunch of stuff on here, and we're super excited to have these on the website now. All right, so we just got that install done. It was super easy, and now you know how to do it. If you want one of these products, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. It'll take you to the product on our website. You can buy either just the headrest, the seat back, or both, and so you can choose which configuration you'd like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.